unfortunately I was rear-ended and it rode off my very first Lamborghini. My dream car was ripped from my fingers. And then somebody bought it. Well, hey there, welcome to Daily Driven Exotics. This is my Lamborghini Squadra Corsa that just received a brand new wrap from Protective Film Solutions. I am absolutely in love with this car, you guys. It is my favorite wrap we've ever done here at Daily Driven Exotics. This is the second Lamborghini I've owned, which sounds like I'm bragging, I'm not. It wasn't the plan. I bought my dream Lamborghini 9 months ago, and unfortunately, it was taken from me after 28 days of ownership. Now, if you're new to the channel, let me explain to you what exactly happened. One day I was very fortunate, I bought my very first Lamborghini, a 2006 manual. That's right, the beautiful gated 6-speed manual Gallardo. Huge moment for me, I was super excited. Honestly, never thought it would happen. I was always into BMWs and Hondas and things like that, things that I could afford at the time. And then obviously, Daily Driven Exotics came about. I had an opportunity with Damon to make some money. It worked out in the end, and I got my very first Lamborghini, and you guys, it was an amazing experience. Being a first-time supercar owner, the first thing I wanted to do was do an epic road trip with my best friend, Damon Fryer.
Yeah, it's good to go.
I'm excited.
Welcome to Seattle, you guys. I have to use the restroom so bad, bro. How is the traffic with a manual? Save the manuals, hey buddy, save the manuals.
Everything was going really good until Northern California. And then after that, well, watch the footage.
Dave got hit. I don't know how bad it is. He says it's not good. Holy sh**. Oh, it's holy sh**.
Yeah, sucks.
Are you okay?
I think so. So basically I was coming along, just doing the speed limit, everything was chill. These guys stopped, I stopped, the red car over there swerved, I guess, and hit me hard, pulled the wheel off.
Holy sh**.
And there you have it, you guys. Unfortunately, I was rear-ended and it rode off my very first Lamborghini. My dream car was ripped from my fingers. And unfortunately, with supercar insurance, it's not a quick process, especially in Canada. I had to wait like 2 months to get paid out. Now, don't feel too bad for me. I was very fortunate in the fact that I found this very rare Lamborghini Squadra Corsa. It worked out for me. Now, I'm very happy with this car. However, it still broke my heart. I still love that car. And then all of a sudden, I saw it on an auction website and everyone was tagging me and saying you should buy a car back to rebuild it. And for me, I didn't want to do that. I wanted to move on. I wanted to say goodbye and just, you know, close that chapter in my life. And then somebody bought it. That bought it hit me up on Instagram and was like, hey Dave, I bought your Lamborghini. And honestly, it was very bittersweet. I was like, I didn't really want to hear about it anymore. And he told me he wanted to rebuild it, started a YouTube channel. I was kind of like, great. So the gentleman who bought my car, his name is Mac. He lives in Ontario, all the way on the other side of Canada, hell of a long ways from California. And apparently the car is completely rebuilt. And as it turns out, I got a text message. He's in LA right now on vacation, wants to meet up. So let's go meet Mac, you guys. And we're back here at GI Automotive with my man Anthony. How you doing,
What's
bro?
going on, dude? Thanks for coming by. Dude, I'm loving your wrap.
Isn't it crazy?
Yeah, it's insane. It looks really good. When you first showed me the renders, it looked cool, but it's not kind of like 2D, 3D, and I'm like a little skeptical.
Totally.
I didn't want to say that to your face because I love you and I respect everything
I
you
love
do.
you too.
But when you came in here, yeah, dude, I'm a big fan of this neon yellow that you guys have, kind of rocking the Mercedes colors. Yeah. And this, again, this just works with the DD theme.
Truly feels, and I've read this in the comments from you guys, the DD fam, it feels like a DDE car now. My first Lamborghini that was unfortunately written off, purchased by a guy in Canada, by where you live, up in Toronto.
Super crazy.
And he hit me up, he was like, hey, I'm in LA. He's in LA right now.
Really?
The young guy that bought it, him and his dad bought it for a project. Now here's the thing, it's a bit bittersweet. When I rode off that car, I didn't want to show it on camera, but it was an emotional experience. It's my first supercar, 29 days in. I kind of never wanted to see it again. I didn't want to buy it back and rebuild it. I wanted to just go away, get parted out and be done with it. Didn't really want to see the car come back to life. apparently the car's completely rebuilt. All right, guys, he's here. This is Mac. He bought my Rodoff Gallardo, and we're joking, there's no tension here. We've talked before. He's a super awesome guy, and I'm super happy he could take my car and honor it by rebuilding it the right way, safely. It's all done. Is it all done now?
Pretty much done. A couple small things left, but it's drivable. All
right, I'm gonna take Mac for a ride in the Squadra. What are your thoughts of this car?
Dude, it looks insane. The wrap, the colors.
You like it?
Perfect.
Are you gonna wrap my old car?
I think so. I don't have really a plan for it yet, though.
I want to hear more about the process of buying my old car, rebuilding it. And I shouldn't say my old car. Your car. It's not my car anymore. Single tier. I want to hear all about that. And your dad helped you with it.
He did, yes.
And your dad's here, so I'll hear from your dad as well. But first, let's get in the Squadra and go for a drive in Beverly Hills, since you are a tourist in this beautiful city. Now, before you bought the Gallardo, have you ever been in a Lamborghini before?
One time in Vegas on the test track.
Oh, so you rented one in Vegas.
Yes.
Vegas is a great place for that. Now you own a Lamborghini.
Yep.
What do you love Lambo life? What are your thoughts?
I love the aggressiveness of the car for the road. It's like a raw feeling. So yeah, I love the Lamborghini. I've only got a couple hours behind the seat, so not too much time. I can't wait to get back home and get back in that thing.
Now, where you live, you get snow.
We do.
When does that start?
Probably end of November. We start getting snow.
And tell me this, are you gonna get snow tires in the Lamborghini?
I guess we'll have to wait and see.
Oh, come on! Unlike the Gallardo that you have now, this one is obviously a lot more, it's newer, which means it's the LP, different motor, different transmission. Honestly, from driving your car to this car, they're night and day, the experience.
Oh yeah.
Yours being gated, very engaged in that way. This being more of a modern version of the Gallardo, a lot lighter.
Yeah.
It's a bit less comfortable, like it's more bumpy in this car. The seats are less plush, you've got leather seats.
Yeah.
However, this car is definitely more nimble. I'll show you that in a second. Tell me how you found my old Lamborghini after the crash.
I was looking for a truck for myself.
A truck?
Yes, a truck.
Okay.
Something smashed, something I could fix up and drive and then sell, because I'm in the car industry. And I was basically done my searching. I didn't find anything I liked. But before I exited out of that program that we use, I searched by old model year first. And I seen this Lamborghini on there. I clicked into it. I didn't really think anything of it. Thought it was a regular old Gallardo. Yeah. Seen the August stickers on the side. It's like, no way.
So you watched Daily Driven Exotics before?
Every day.
Oh man, I didn't know that. Hell yeah.
It was pretty exciting. The car ran the following day, so I called up my brother and my dad to see if this is something that we'd all be interested in. Yeah. And it ended up being our car.
So this is like a family project. You guys build cars, rebuild supercars, or not supercars, you rebuild cars.
Yeah, usually classic cars is our thing. So this is our first car in this realm of vehicles. So something new for us. We were obviously very scared buying a Lamborghini. We weren't getting into. But it ended up turning out well. We got lucky with a lot of things like finding parts fast. We ended up finding another wrecked Gallardo down in Toronto.
So how long did it take you from the day you bought it to the day it was quote unquote done?
About a month's time.
A month?
A month's time.
Wow,
that's not bad.
That's pretty impressive, you guys. It's different, right? Obviously it's easier, so it has a bigger punch.
Yes.
It's also a lighter car. And it has carbon ceramic brakes. As I just demonstrated there. Wow. That has launch control here, hold on.
Does it really?
Yeah. I'm not gonna do it, there's somebody standing there. I just wanna make the noise. So walk me through, you first get the Lamborghini, it's now in your garage. What was the first step?
So the first step, getting in the garage, it was on the tow truck. It didn't look too bad.
Oh, you're like, oh, it's not bad. I'll put some paint on there, change a tire.
Change a tire, good to go. That wasn't the case. We got the car on the ground, we got that wheel off, and we noticed like that part of the frame that actually holds the upper control arm onto the vehicle was ripped right out.
Oh, so the actual frame was damaged?
It was damaged bad, yeah. Then the tricky part was finding the part, all the parts for the car. We thought we were gonna have an issue, but luckily someone saw your video and posted their wreck Gallardo down in Toronto for us.
Oh, you're kidding?
Yes, so we lucked out, we drove 3 hours south. We basically picked up the whole rear end of the car.
So you got all the parts from basically one person?
Right.
Oh, that's crazy.
Yeah, we lucked out big time.
Would not be a true DD experience without a drive down Rodeo.
The central place of LA tourism.
Can I ask you, what did it cost for parts?
About $8,500 Canadian.
Oh, so like 6,000 US.
Yeah, we had to pay another $1,500 for a wheel, Canadian.
For one wheel is $1,500?
One wheel used. Obviously a tire, that was about $550 for the Michelin.
What about labor, paint?
We didn't include our labor time, obviously, into the cost, but...
Oh, so you guys did it all yourself?
We did it all ourselves, yeah.
Oh, man! Do you mind me asking what you paid for the car at auction?
Yeah, we paid 70 grand Canadian for the car. So
you're like 80,000 Canadian for the car, which is about 60,000 US.
Yeah, it's not a bad
That's
deal.
Amazing. Yeah. I paid 155 Canadian for that car.
That's crazy.
and you're into it for 90 Canadian.
Yeah.
So you've got an amazing manual gated Gallardo for $65,000 less than I paid for it.
That's right. 4
months earlier.
Yep.
Hey dude, congratulations.
Thanks, dude.
That's sick. Okay, we're back at GI. Now your dad, Tony, this is a project you guys did together.
Yeah.
And he did a lot of the work himself.
He did, yes.
So let's get Tony in here. I want to hear from him.
Okay.
The master of disaster, the man with the plan.
Yeah.
Tony. Hop in, Tony.
Hey Dave, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Great. We finally get to meet.
This is it.
Yes,
Hey,
it is.
nice to meet
Nice
you.
to meet you, yes.
Your son's an awesome guy.
Is he good?
And he told me all the good stuff you did, including you did most of the work yourself.
I did.
So we're gonna go for a drive in the Squadra Corsa.
Yes,
Since you know,
I love this
you
thing.
built a Lamborghini, might as well be in a Lamborghini and tell
Yep.
the story. I want to hear more about like the actual structural welding, all the stuff that I know nothing about.
Okay.
All right, Tony, so your son found this car and said, Dad, I found a Lamborghini. It's completely written off. Let's buy it. Your thoughts were?
Why?
Why?
My famous car, Dad. We gotta buy it. We gotta buy it. I said, well, let's bid on it.
Seeing you guys as a family come together and build this car, fellow Canadians, I honestly couldn't be more happy for you guys. What was the hardest part to do?
You know what? It was the I was taking it apart was fairly easy. We had it apart in about 4 hours, and it was just the suspension component of it and that top control arm bracket that was ripped off. I was a little bit nervous about that, but then we researched, and I guess that's their factory crumple zone area where it's made to rip apart. Called in a welder, a specialized TIG welder with aluminum, measured it, put it all in the exact spot, and he came in, and about 4 hours later, it was welded, and about 2 hours later, I had the suspension on and started up and took it for a little ride around the parking lot. The first thing I looked at was all the body lines. Everything was like all the door gaps, the hood, the passenger driver's side. Everything was really good except for just the quarter where it was crumpled. And once I cut it out and drilled it all out, all the factory spot welds, I cut the new one out, placed it, and it just everything fit perfectly.
What's the plans for the car now?
Well, you know what? Now that Max started this little channel, I'm going, we got to keep something going on it. So we're thinking, do we wrap it? Do we put wheels? Straight pipe it?
You guys have 10,000 subscribers now.
I know.
That's no joke.
And thanks to you, because that happened really quick too.
Our pleasure.
Yeah, it was great having you. It was a great story, just meeting up, and we hope to maybe want you to see the car again at some point.
I want to drive that car.
Yeah.
We'll come see you guys in Ontario.
All right, that'd
Get
be
some
great.
snow tires. We'll do it in the winter.
Yeah, we should.
Well, there you have it, you guys. You can too rebuild a Lamborghini in 1 month with the technology and the willingness. How did you learn how to do all this stuff in a Lamborghini?
You know what? I didn't. I just took
Did
a
it?
shot at it, and I was amazed how easy it was for me, anyway.
Perfect.
My wife says you got an art and a talent, but I just thought it was pretty.
Wouldn't say
to do.
easy. It's not very easy. It's pretty friggin' scary, but it's definitely doable.
Well, enjoy
Yeah.
LA. Thanks for being on the
Hey,
channel.
thanks.
You
Appreciate
guys, go follow these guys for more progress on the Lamborghini Gallardo. Max Builds.
Max Builds.
Max Builds. I'll add a link in the description. The one really fun thing about GI Auto here in Beverly Hills is the clientele. It literally ranges from anybody to Instagram stars to actual Hollywood and TV stars getting their car serviced here. Super cool shop. Right now they currently have a LP640 Mercy log on the rack for an engine out job, which again, if you know Mercies, that could pretty much be a spark plug, an air filter replacement, you name it, the engine comes out. It's hot as balls out here, let's go get milkshakes.
Yeah.
Sound good? So the one thing that's missing right now is wheels.
Yeah, that's right.
You gotta do wheels.
Yeah.
The audience in the video yesterday or the day before was like, Dave, you need wheels, and I agree, I need wheels. Now that the wrap's done, I can kind of decide what to do. The question is, crazy and bray or?
I think white wheels on this, and the yellow to tie into the.
Yeah, acid green like I had in the R8.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's right.
The downside, they're really hard to keep clean.
Yeah. We get...
That's true, that's true. All right, Anthony, you promised me a milkshake. Is this the best milkshake I'll ever have?
It actually is. It's literally gonna change your life on what a milkshake actually is.
I trust you so much, I invited Alex Choi to come join us. It's your boy Choi is on his way.
Choi must love milkshakes, being that he's like 16 and all. It's pretty simple. They mix some chocolatey, delicious goop over here. Oh, like that cream and milk. And then it goes into this thing that's cooled by liquid nitrogen.
Get
in a
out.
big tank. Same stuff that they use to, freeze bull and cattle sperm.
I did not know that either. Holy sh**, they hire you here? You're the head of PR? How are you? Tired? Yeah. As you can tell, everyone's energy is here because it's like the hottest day of the year right now. We're all like dying. Right? Oh yeah, Damon's not here, someone has to hit me. Fair enough. Tell me what you morons did earlier today, because I heard you wreck something.
We may or may not have broken an R34 GTR, can neither confirm nor deny. Alex tried to slit my throat with a seatbelt. It was long, it was an eventful day.
Thank you so much for watching. You guys, smash the subscribe button, grab some merch, shopd.com, free shipping all over the world.
See you tomorrow, guys. Thanks for watching. Smash that subscribe button. See you then.
I don't know what's happening. Watch out, there's a car coming. I see Alex bracing himself, and I see things happening here.
Oh my god, should I?
I don't know what to do.
I'm scared.
It's like a game of chicken.
Either do it or don't, damn it.
Oh god, it's the worst. It's like a roller coaster. Wow!